It's day 3 of my 5-part summer snack series, and today we're going to make ice cream sandwiches. Into a baking tin, add 2 to 3 pints of softened ice cream. You can add a little bit less ice cream or a little more ice cream depending on how thick you want your ice cream sandwiches. Smooth it out, cover it with a piece of parchment paper, and let it sit in the freezer until it's rock solid. In the meantime, we can sift out our dry ingredients. Add 140 grams of gluten-free flour, 50 grams of natural cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Sift it through, then set it aside. To a large-sized bowl, add a stick of unsalted softened butter and half a cup of granulated sugar. With an electric mixer, beat the butter and sugar until light and creamy, just like this. Add an egg and a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Beat those together, then add in your dry ingredients and a teaspoon of salt, which I forgot to add. Fold your dry ingredients in until the dough comes together. To a sheet of plastic wrap, add your dough, roll it up, and then set it in the fridge for about an hour. This is totally optional, but you can also do a layer of mint chocolate chip ice cream on your ice cream too at this point. Take your dough out of the fridge, unwrap it, cut it in half, and then dust with some flour. Roll out your dough to around a centimeter thick. Then trace the shape of your ice cream pan and cut off the excess dough so it makes a square. Grab a sheet of parchment paper, place that on top of your dough, get a baking pan and place that on top of your parchment paper. Flip the entire thing over, then add it into a 350-degree oven for 7 to 8 minutes, repeating the same steps with the other half of your dough. After your cookie is cooled, you can add your giant ice cream block onto it, and it'll be a little hard to peel the parchment paper off, but you can do it. And then add the second cookie on top and wrap it up in some more plastic wrap again, and then set it in the freezer to freeze for at least 8 hours, but ideally overnight. After your ice cream sandwiches have been frozen overnight, you can unwrap them, cut them into eighths, and enjoy.